Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're taking a closer look at a tiny powerhouse. It's fast, compact, and packed with serious performance. This is the ROG NUC 2025. If you're looking for a desktop that can handle high-end gaming or creative work without taking up much space, this one might surprise you. Let's find out what makes the new ROG NUC 2025 so special. First, let's talk about what's new. The ROG NUC 2025 is a major upgrade over previous models. Asus has taken feedback seriously and improved nearly everything. It's slimmer, cooler, and more powerful. The official release is expected around mid-September 2025, but some regions might see it earlier in limited quantities. Compared to the last generation, the new model brings next-gen Intel Core Ultra 9 processors, upgraded GPU options, and faster DDR5 memory. You also get Wi-Fi 7 and improved I/O ports. It's a complete refresh from inside out. And that's what we'll explore in this review. The design is compact, but also stylish. It's all black, with sharp lines and a clean finish. The case is metal with some plastic accents. It's tough, and has a professional look. There's subtle ROG branding on one side and RGB lighting underneath, which adds personality without being too flashy. It fits easily on your desk or in a media setup. It's small enough to carry around, but powerful enough to replace a full-size tower. That's the real beauty of this device. The top panel is slightly raised for ventilation. It looks futuristic but also helps airflow. The build quality feels strong and well-balanced. All vents are well placed. It doesn't overheat under pressure, thanks to the advanced dual-fan cooling system inside. Asus has also added more copper heat pipes in this version. That makes it more efficient and quieter, even during intense workloads. On the front, you get two USB-C ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The power button has a nice glow when turned on. Around the back, there's HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, for us BIA ports, Ethernet, and the power connector. It's built for performance and productivity. The display support is excellent. You can connect up to four 4K monitors or to 8K displays with ease. That's thanks to the upgraded GPU and I/O ports. Whether you're editing videos or managing trading setups, this system can handle it. The ROG NUC 2025 is available in multiple configurations. You can choose between Intel Core Ultra 7 or Ultra 9. Both are based on the new Meteor Lake architecture. That means you get better efficiency, faster AI tasks, and solid single-core and multi-core performance. The top model comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 in a custom MXM module. It's powerful and optimized for the compact design. This allows for smooth gaming and high-performance creative workflows. If you want something lighter, there's also an RTX 4060 version. Memory-wise, it supports up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. Storage goes up to 4 TB with dual M2 NVMe SSD slots. That's more than enough for games, apps, and heavy media projects. Everything loads fast, and there's no lag during multitasking. For gamers, this system performs like a beast. You can play AAA games at 1440p or even 4K, depending on the settings. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, and Starfield run smoothly with ray tracing on medium to high settings. DLSS 3.5 also helps boost frame rates where needed. Temperatures stay in check, even during long sessions. Fans stay quiet until the GPU gets pushed hard, and even then, it's still manageable. Asus has fine-tuned the fan curves, and you can customize them using Armoury Crate. For content creators, this NUC is just as impressive. Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, DaVinci Resolve, and Photoshop all run without issues. 4K video editing is smooth, and export times are fast. The new AI cores in Intel Ultra processors also help with background rendering and smart tools. The ROG NUC 2025 ships with Windows 11 Pro out of the box. Asus includes some useful software like Armoury Crate for system tuning, Aura Sync for RGB, and MySUS for support and updates. Everything is clean, and there's very little bloatware. One interesting feature is the ability to switch performance profiles easily. You can go from silent to balanced to turbo mode with just a click. That's helpful if you want to balance noise and speed depending on your task. There's also support for fast Wi-Fi 7. That means faster downloads, better game latency, and strong signal strength. You also get Bluetooth 5.44 connecting accessories. The Ethernet port supports 2.5 gigabits per second speeds, which is great for wired gamers or streamers. Battery isn't relevant here, since it's a desktop, but power efficiency has improved. At idle or light use, it consumes less than 30 watts. Under load, it pulls more power, but not as much as a full-size desktop with the same specs. The included power adapter is compact, and the system stays stable even during demanding tasks. You don't need to worry about sudden shutdowns or overheating. Asus has done a great job with internal layout and airflow optimization. The audio experience is decent for a mini PC. There are no built-in speakers, but the headphone jack delivers clear and loud output. With the right headset, you'll enjoy good detail and depth. You can also connect external speakers or audio interfaces via USB or Bluetooth. For price and value, the ROG NUC 2025 is a premium product. The base model starts around $1,299, while the top-tier Ultra 9 Plus RTX 4070 version costs about $1,899. That's not cheap, but for what it offers, it's worth the price. You're getting flagship-level power in a chassis that's smaller than most shoeboxes. You don't need to build or maintain a bulky rig anymore. For gamers, streamers, and creators, it's a compact solution that's powerful and efficient. Let's break it down into pros and cons. Pros: small and stylish, powerful CPU and GPU options. Runs cool and quiet, great for gaming and creative work. Fast memory and storage. Future-ready ports, easy to carry or move. Cons: pricey at the high end, no built-in speakers. Limited upgrade options compared to full towers. No SD card slot. So, what's the final verdict? The ROG NUC 2025 is one of the most exciting mini PCs we've seen this year. Asus has packed desktop-grade power into a design that fits in your backpack. Whether you want to game, edit videos, stream content, or just enjoy a fast Windows experience, this system can handle it all. It's not for budget users, but if you want performance, design, and portability in one box, this is a great choice. With the latest CPU's strong GPU options and a clean build, the 2025 ROG NUC feels ready for anything. That wraps up our review of the ROG NUC 2025. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Vibe. We bring you detailed reviews of the latest gadgets, laptops, PCs, and smart tech. Let us know in the comments, would you go for a mini PC like this over a full tower? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.